Consider a particle that starts at the origin and travels 8 units to the right, then travels 13 units to the left. Determine the distance and displacement of the particle in this situation. So first up, we're going to draw a quick diagram to represent this situation. So this is going to be the straight line that the particle travels along, and it's going to be measuring x, and we're going to say that x is the distance away from an origin, and we're going to put some origin here at O. The particle then starts by travelling 8 units to the right, which we're going to treat as the positive direction. So it's going to go from this point and it's going to travel 8 units down to here. So the particle is going to reach this spot. And then the particle travels 13 units to the left. And we're going to treat that as the negative direction. So it's going to travel this way and it's going to go 13 units back, which will take it to -5. So this here is the final position of the particle that did start here. So first of all, we're going to look at the distance, and that is going to equal the 8 units that it travelled to the right plus the 13 units that it travelled to the left or in the negative direction. Therefore, the distance will be equal to 8 plus 13, which equals 21 units. Next up, we need to work out what the displacement of the particle was, and the displacement is different to the distance. So the displacement indicates how far away from the start the particle is and the direction of where it has ended up. So this is the displacement. So for this particular particle, it's ended up 5 units to the left, which is -5 units as the displacement. So that can be interpreted as the particle being 5 units to the left of its starting point once it has finished its journey.